Look, when the angel boy was about to eat the big cotton candy, the demon girl electrocuted him. The evil girl dipped the cotton candy in water, and it was hollow. The angel boy put the cotton candy in water, and a lollipop candy came out. This time, the angel boy took the small cotton candy, but the demon girl scared him and took it away. The evil girl dipped the cotton candy in water again, and it came out empty. The girl started crying. The angel boy dipped his cotton candy in water. But first, this spider will be in your bed tonight. If you don't like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds. How many times did the video say something about cotton candy?